In this video we can talk about top 5 GoParaphrase alternatives and competitors. Hey there, fellow wordsmiths and content creators. Glad to have you back on our alternatives.co channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of GoParaphrase alternatives, where we'll introduce you to top 5 alternatives of GoParaphrase, which are DeepL, Grammarly, Paraphrasing Tool, Copyleaks, and Plagibot that will take your writing game to the next level. So, get ready to explore the game changers and their features. First one on our list is DeepL. DeepL is a powerful writing assistant that comes with advanced capabilities of artificial intelligence to provide you with accurate translations and smart suggestions in multiple languages. It offers exclusive features like multiple format support, data organization, and seamless document translation, whether you're writing an email, crafting an article, or composing a document, DeepL is the best choice. And it also comes with one of the standout features of DeepL is its neural network models that enable it to comprehend the context and generate coherent, contextually relevant content. Next one on our list is Grammarly. A widely recognized name in the writing enhancement domain, Grammarly is known for its comprehensive grammar and spell-checking abilities, ensuring that your writing is error-free and polished. It offers excellent features like grammar and spell check, improving sentence structure, and style suggestions. With Grammarly by your side, you'll be able to express yourself with confidence and precision. But that's not all. Grammarly's standout feature lies in its advanced writing insights, offering suggestions to improve your vocabulary, tone, and overall clarity. Moving on, let's explore Paraphrasing Tool. Designed for those seeking an easy way to rephrase sentences and passages, Paraphrasing Tool offers a user-friendly interface and efficient results. It offers features like accurate paraphrasing, grammar checker, and a convenient Chrome extension. Paraphrasing Tool utilizes advanced algorithms to rewrite your content, providing a fresh perspective while retaining the original meaning. One of its standout features is its extensive synonym database, ensuring that your paraphrased text maintains its coherence and clarity. Our fourth alternative is Copyleaks. Copyleaks is a comprehensive plagiarism detection software designed for academic institutions, businesses, and individual writers. It offers exclusive features like content analysis, API integration, and AI grader. With its intuitive interface and powerful scanning capabilities, Copyleaks helps you maintain academic integrity or protect your brand's reputation. And one of the standout features of Copyleaks is its multi-language support, allowing you to detect plagiarism in various languages effortlessly. Last but certainly not least, we have Plagibot. This unique tool is a plagiarism checker that ensures your content is original and free from any potential issues. It offers features like extensive database, multilingual support, and data safety. Plagibot scans your text against a vast database of online sources, academic papers, and published articles to detect any similarities. And one of its standout features is the comprehensive plagiarism report it generates, giving you a detailed overview of any problematic areas and helping you maintain the integrity of your work. When compared to GoParaphrase, DeepL not only checks grammar but also provides suggestions to enhance writing style and clarity, giving you more comprehensive writing assistance. Grammarly's tone and intent analysis feature can help you tailor your writing style, which may be lacking in GoParaphrase. Paraphrasing Tool's ability to handle paraphrasing tasks in multiple languages can be advantageous for a diverse user base. Real-time alerts from Copyleaks enable you to take immediate action upon plagiarism detection. And Plagibot offers customizable settings, allowing you to refine search parameters and exclude specific sources. Considering the unique features and comprehensive capabilities, we would recommend Grammarly as the top alternative. Grammarly offers a comprehensive platform that goes beyond simple paraphrasing. Grammarly's versatility, user-friendly interface, and integration with various platforms make it a powerful tool for writers, students, professionals, and anyone seeking to improve their writing skills and ensure the authenticity and clarity of their content. And that's a wrap. We've uncovered the ultimate powerhouses in the world of paraphrasing and writing assistants. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.